Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Superior Shelby. I'm a small business development coach and I take your small business from scratch all the way to the income you are looking to make. Today we're going to dive deeper into the technology part of starting your small business and making sure you are staying on top of new technologies, all right? In this digital world, it is very vital for your small business, whether you are getting into e-commerce or not, to stay on top of using different type of technologies, softwares, and systems to help your workflow and to help automate it. So if this is something you are interested in, obviously you are, make sure you share this video, like, subscribe, and stay to the end of the video so that way you can get some really good informative education for your small business. All right, so let's jump right into it. So obviously, you guys, I always leave some type of a medium.com article that I write with these particular video essays. So you can follow along by following me on medium.com/@SuperiorShelby. So that way, you can read what we're talking about. So how to use technology to streamline your small business, okay? So if you are not, everyone's not like a tech savvy person, right? Everyone doesn't know how to use artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, okay? I totally get it. But there's other softwares and systems that you guys definitely need to know how to use in order to streamline your entire business and to have a really good workflow process when you are doing things like servicing a client or providing a product to a service when they're checking out online. So say you're a small business owner, obviously you are, and you're looking to take your operations to the next level, right? Well, you're in luck because in this thrilling video, we're gonna dive deeper into the technologies of it, right? So let's get into it. So picture this, all right? You are actually running your small business, right? And you are drowning in tons of paperwork. You're struggling to keep up with your inventory, you're spending assets, you're usually using so many different hours to complete tasks. And now you're at this point where you're just really tired. Fear not, technology is here to save the day, all right? To transform your business into like a well-oiled machine, all right? So now that we have technology, you don't have to worry about all of the paperwork from way back in the days when we first started our businesses 10 plus years ago. Now we got the computer, all right? Now, so imagine the thrill of being able to collaborate with your team on the same direction that you are looking to go in, right? And imagine you guys are in need of like all coming together, but you guys can't physically all to come together. Well, that is where technology comes into play. So you can do something called cloud computing. Cloud computing is when you are sharing documents in a cloud-based app or software, right? So let's start our adventure by exploring the power of cloud computing. With the cloud, you can store and access your business data from anywhere, anytime, and no more worries about losing important files or being tied into a single physical location, all right? So the cloud or your drive, you can use things like Google Drive, right? There's so many different ones. Apple has what's called an actual iCloud, where you actually get to share documents, photos, videos, and all kinds of different really great, files amongst your team. So that way everyone can have the same exact information. No one's saying, oh, I don't have this, or oh, I didn't get that. You got it because you are shared within the cloud, all right? So moving on, imagine the thrill of being able to collaborate with your team in the same direction. Within the same document. You guys can, edit these documents at the same time, no matter where your physical location is, it's all in real time. So using things like Google Drive, the Dropbox, right? And obviously iCloud are all seamless ways that you can collaborate with your team, other freelancers and other business owners that you are looking to do business with when we're talking about sharing documents, okay? So share documents, you can use the cloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, places, softwares like that, all right? Wait, there's more. Brace yourself, all right, for the excitement of office automation. Yes, that's what I said, automation. So moving on, now that we know about cloud computing, all right, the fact that you can share your documents with anyone across the world from different freelancers and anyone who's on your team, now let's move on to actual software automations, right? So automations is something that has like literally took the sweat off of our foreheads and has allowed small business owners to just kind of relax and let everything be all literally automated from the start to finish of a customer service or product, workflow. So say goodbye to the mundane, repetitive task of draining your energy and to stunt your growth. Technology can automate the processes like involving payroll and customer relationship management. Okay, so obviously that's CRM. So with customer relationship management, that's sending out those emails. You can have a software automatically send out emails to a email list of all of your clients who have already either already bought products and services with you or are inquiring, right? The software and technologies are so high tech now to where they can actually automatically send emails to individuals of your new products and services and any discounts that are coming out. So you can use different, softwares and systems. Embrace the rush of having the time to focus on what truly matters. Growing your business and serving your customers is what truly matters, right? So by harnessing the power of automation tools like QuickBooks, you got Zapier, and building custom workflows, you can unleash a world of possibilities. So QuickBooks is really good for bookkeeping and obviously small business tax purposes. And every time you get like some type of receipt, you can upload it to QuickBooks. So that's really good for bookkeeping and accounting on an automatic process. Then you have Zapier. Zapier is Zapier is like my first love. Zapier is where you actually create the software system workflows. So, for example, when you want a client to come to your website, exactly what you want your website to do when a person first comes to your website, right? So that entire workflow, you can create that through Zapier. Zapier will do things like, say, for example, a person comes to your website and you automatically want the email subscription to come up where it asks the clients to subscribe to your email list, and they can provide, or you can give them 10 to 20% off of their products and services that they're inquiring about today or they're looking to check out with today, right? So you can actually do that. That is an automation that you can set up through Zapier by connecting your website and whatever other softwares and stuff that you have going on together, okay? So that's building a really good custom workflow, okay? A workflow is what it is from start to finish. When a client comes to you, what is the flow of that, all right? Now, so now you get to embark on exhilarating e-commerce adventures, right? Imagine the thrill of reaching customers worldwide without the limitations of brick and mortar stores. With an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can establish a captivating online presence and make sales 24/7. Honestly, you guys, there's nothing more satisfying than waking up, early in the morning, let's say 5 a.m., 6 a.m. if you're an early bird like me and you have made sales at 2, 3 in the morning and you've made already $1,000 for the day. That is satisfying. And this is what technology is here to do. WooCommerce and Shopify is really one that a lot of my clients actually use when we're talking about e-commerce. E-commerce is just a new way now for us to be able to sell our services and products online. So when we are setting up e-commerce sites like Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, or others, even with social media sites now, because now Instagram has their own cart, Facebook, Meta Business has the cart, right? And all of these other social media platforms actually have a cart to where you can upload your service or product on. So for each software and system, social media, or whatever, for each one that you sign up for, you just want to make sure that you have all of your stuff together. All right, so moving on. And plus, the Shopify is really good as far as with sharing your link too. A lot of my clients told me that, so I'm just relaying the message, okay? So aside from you being able to have your e-commerce setup, then you can experience the adrenaline rush of expanding your customer base by boosting your revenue, all while enjoying the flexibility and convenience of online transactions. Get ready for the ultimate rush of success. But wait, there's still more to discover, all right? Prepare yourself for the adrenaline-fueled world of data analytics with technology. You can transform vast amounts of, data into actionable insights that will drive your business to new heights, which is true. When you actually learn how to read what's called data analytics, when you sign up for your software systems, or whatever you sign up for to help with your workflow, especially when we're talking about e-commerce, data analytics is something that is very vital to your business success. Data analytics is something very new, especially if you have been an entrepreneur for 15 plus years. Data analytics allows you to get online to look at different social media platforms that you might have signed up for, different software systems and subscriptions that you sign up for, especially your client management system. This definitely has that, where you actually get to see your conversion rates. So when a client comes from your website, or when they go on your website, how many clients that go on your website actually check out, right? You want to see those conversion rates. How many clients actually, view your content on YouTube or different social media platforms and actually visit your website, and then not only visit your website, actually check out, right? So that is called data, right? The conversion rates is called data, and you want to know that information because it lets you know what your target audience is most interested in. So that way you can acquire the service or the product that they're interested in or they're in need of, and you can go ahead and be that innovator, create that product, and be that one-stop shop, so you can always keep your client right there in your basket. Okay, so moving on. So imagine the thrill of understanding your customers' preferences, predicting trends, and making data-driven decisions that captivate or catapult your business ahead of the competition. With tools like Google Analytics and Microsoft Power BI, you can become an unstoppable force of a strategic prowess, okay? But be aware, fellow adventurers, all right? For with great power comes great accountability and responsibility, right? So as you embrace technology, you must gear up to face the thrilling challenges of cybersecurity. Protect your business and customer data from cyber threats, and stay one step ahead of hackers and with robust security measures. I just recently went through this. I just have a crazy ex-boyfriend, sorry you guys. But in all reality, aside from like any personal or anything like that, you just want to make sure that you are staying up to date with cybersecurity. So there's so many different places that you can sign up for that will provide you with cybersecurity to protect your clients' data as well as your data, right? All of the information that you have when you are, servicing your clients or providing that service or product, right? You just want to have cybersecurity implemented. It's a small monthly subscription fee, so there's so many different sites out there that you guys can sign up for, but it is very vital to your business. I, for one, have had a first-hand experience just recently with, my grant clients have been, reached out to some scam message that was sent out to them, right? That message is invalid and it's a scam, but had I actually paid the money I was supposed to pay, right? The monthly subscription of cybersecurity, I wouldn't have had that issue no matter what personal, issues that I might have going on, whether it's a crazy ex-boyfriend or just a crazy old client that just really don't know what to do with themselves, right? So you just want to make sure that you are staying up to date with cybersecurity and protecting your clients and your business, all right? So you can do that. Hopefully I can find a really good, actually, I'm going to provide you guys a link down below, a really great cybersecurity system software that you can sign up for, a monthly subscription. So that way you can, protect all of your business assets online. Okay, that's vital. All right. So safeguard your business from dangers that lurk in the digital world and experience the exhilaration of running secured and trustworthy operations. So fellow entrepreneurs, my cousins, are y'all ready to work on this uplifting and pumping journey? Okay, this entire video has all been about technology, right? So from the start, we were talking about, all different types of really good stuff, okay? How to take your business, how to look at cloud computing, how to share documents and different, workflows that you can create through Zapier. And obviously e-commerce sites that you can use, and different, cybersecurity places that you can go to as well. I'll put the links down below for you guys. So technology is something that is very vital to your entrepreneurial success right now, you guys. We live in a digital world now. So we don't live in the early 2000s where it was like optional, all right? It's no longer optional. It's so heavy on the digital right now, you guys, that you know, individuals are not only Googling you, but they're also like searching you guys up on Instagram and on Facebook and stuff, like no matter what the age group is. So you just want to make sure that you do have social media platforms, softwares and systems and analytics all going together, and making sure that you know how to read these numbers so that way you can always create strategies to stay ahead of your competition, okay? You want to stay ahead of the competition. If this information was very informative, if it was motivating for you, because I know a lot of us are not tech savvy, make sure you like and share and comment down below how this video definitely helped motivate you, right? And, you know, obviously share it to other individuals, turn on push notifications so you won't miss any of my other informative videos. I'm a small business development coach, you guys, so we actually create strategies together in a coaching for at least an hour, and we actually talk about, you know, all of your issues. It's a tailored consultation, it's a tailored coaching specifically for you and I, right? And we actually execute these steps together. So I don't know what you're waiting on. I totally get it if you feel in some type of way, like, I don't know if I'm ready for this, but you ready for this. All right, stop telling yourself you're not ready for this, because you are ready for this. So make sure you text #business to 305-686-0781 so you can have me, okay, a professional who's been doing this for years, actually help you and walk you through hold your hand through the process, all right, of developing your small business, okay? And I know you guys are in need of some free money for your startup and for your business, so make sure you text #grants to 305-686-0781 so that way my team of professionals can search and apply for free money opportunities for you. So until next time, I'm Superior Shelby. This has been a very good, informative, and I've really enjoyed your company, right, video. So make sure you guys, you know, watch my next ones. I love you guys so much and enjoy your business week. Peace.